Fresh air plays a major role in how comfortable a home feels. When air can move naturally through living spaces, rooms feel lighter, cooler, and more inviting. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows are a trusted solution for improving airflow without complicated systems or constant adjustments. Their versatile design makes them especially effective at supporting natural ventilation throughout the home. Understanding natural airflow at home. Natural airflow relies on the movement of air in and out of a home without mechanical assistance. Warm air rises, cool air settles, and when windows are positioned and operated correctly, this movement creates continuous circulation. In Washington living spaces, double-hung windows make it easy to take advantage of this natural process. Their dual sash design allows homeowners to control how air enters and exits each room. Two sashes, more control. What sets double-hung windows apart is their ability to open from both the top and the bottom. This feature gives homeowners greater control over airflow compared to single-opening window styles. Opening the bottom sash allows fresh air to flow inside at a comfortable level. Opening the top sash lets warm, stale air escape. In Washington homes, using both sashes together creates a steady exchange of air that keeps rooms feeling fresh and balanced. Releasing heat where it collects. Warm air naturally rises towards ceilings, where it can become trapped and make rooms feel stuffy. Double-hung windows provide a simple way to release this built-up heat. By opening the upper sash, Washington homeowners can allow warm air to escape without creating strong drafts at floor level. This helps maintain a more comfortable temperature throughout the room. Supporting cross-ventilation. Natural airflow is most effective when air can move across a space rather than in one direction only. Double-hung windows support cross-ventilation when used in combination with windows on opposite walls or in adjacent rooms. In Washington living spaces, this setup allows fresh air to enter from one side of the home and exit from another. The result is improved circulation that refreshes indoor air naturally and consistently. Improving comfort in high-use areas. Living rooms, family rooms, and shared spaces benefit greatly from good airflow. These areas are often occupied for long periods, making comfort especially important. Double-hung windows help Washington homeowners adjust airflow easily throughout the day. Whether cracking the top sash slightly or opening both sashes wider, homeowners can fine-tune ventilation to match changing conditions. Reducing indoor stagnation. Stagnant air can make a home feel heavy and uncomfortable. Without proper ventilation, odors linger and rooms can feel closed in. Double-hung windows help prevent this by encouraging regular air movement. In Washington homes, even brief periods of ventilation can significantly improve how fresh and breathable living spaces feel. Easy operation encourages regular use. One reason double-hung windows are so effective is how easy they're to operate. Simple sliding sashes make opening and closing quick and effortless. Washington homeowners are more likely to use windows regularly when they're convenient. This frequent use naturally supports better airflow and a healthier indoor environment. Maintaining comfort when windows are closed while ventilation is important. Double-hung windows also perform well when closed. A proper seal helps maintain indoor comfort when outdoor conditions aren't ideal for open windows. For Washington living spaces, this balance means homeowners can enjoy fresh air when they want it and reliable comfort when windows are shut. A practical choice for natural ventilation. Double-hung windows have remained popular for generations because they work. Their design supports natural airflow, flexible control, and everyday comfort without complexity. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows are a practical, reliable way to support natural ventilation, helping living spaces feel fresher, more comfortable, and more enjoyable throughout the day.